You're not kidding me!
You're a little pain in the ass.
I have done everything you said, every test, every trial, every initiation. I have proved I love you. Just accept it.
Got it. I am not someone who is loved. I'm an idea. State of mind. I execute my will according to my plan, and you, Doctor, are not part of my plan.
Just let me in. I promise. Let me in. I promise I won't hurt you.
Promise?
Hey, dickface! Mind screaming at your bitch somewhere else.
I was gonna say I wouldn't do that if I were you. Don't hurt me. I'll be your friend. Do it.
My heart scares you and a gun doesn't.
Do it! If you weren't so crazy, I'd think you were insane. Go away.